So you might also see problems like this where you're allowed to use the area to help you find something else. So with this type of a problem, the one thing you want to make sure is that you're kind of thinking about it in different ways. So this is the parallelogram A, B, D, and E. And what I've got here is that AB could be my base and CB could be my height of the parallelogram, if I look at it one way. So if I wanted to find the area, we know it's just base times height. Well, that's equal to 9 times my 10, which is 90 centimeters squared. Now, if I want to look at it a different way, I could say that EA is a base and FD is my height. So this could be my new base and this could be my new height. Well, what we're trying to find is DF here. So I can just go ahead and use the area formula again, where area is equal to base times height. This time I know the area. The area is equal to 90. My base is equal to 12. And my height, we're going to call that x because we don't know that yet. So when I divide 90 by 12, you're going to end up getting 7.5. So what that means is that the DF is equal to 7.5, and then don't forget your units, has to be centimeters.